morning.
So we're from group 4. Absen kan? So we're going to the Palace of Yogyakarta, and my name is Hasna Nuri Salma from number 17.
And my name is Anindya Putri Maharani, number 6.
My name is Audia Syara, number 8.
My name is Rere, absent, number 17. Okay guys, walking to the palace.
In front of us, there are two abdi dalam of Keraton Yogyakarta, and yeah.
So, right now we are standing in front of the Palace of Yogyakarta. Before we enter the palace, we show a monument that called Ngajemen Cabin. This clock was a present from the Association of Officers for the Government and the Chinese people living in Yogyakarta.
We're finally walking into the Palace of Yogyakarta. The Palace of Yogyakarta is a palace complex in the city of Yogyakarta. It is the seat of the reigning Sultan of Yogyakarta and his family. The complex is a center of Japanese culture and contains a museum displaying royal artifacts.
Aku maju gak?
So before we go into the palace, we have to buy the tickets first.
And these are our tickets. This is us wearing the ticket.
Jalan.
Keraton Ngayogyakarta was founded by Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono I several months after the Giyanti Agreement in 1755. This palace has 7 core complexes named Siti Hinggilar, Kamandungan Ler, Sri Manganti, Kedaton, Kamanggangan, Kamandungan Kidul, and Siti Hinggil Kidul.
Guys, this is Sri Manganti Palace. Manganti is used for Sri Sultan's waiting room or the place to receive guests. If you are lucky, this place held Macapat, traditional dance, or gamelan show.
This is us in the palace of Yogyakarta. Yes. Very hot. But this is so beautiful, guys. So blereng.
Now we're going in, and here we can see a lot of bangsal in the Palace of Yogyakarta. Kedaton is the main pelataran which sits on the top of the hierarchy in the Palace of Yogyakarta. This area has 2 main buildings, which are Bangsal Kencana and Gedung Prabayaksa. These 2 buildings assumed to be the most secret buildings. Bangsal Kencana is the buildings used to hold important ceremonies, while Gedung Prabayaksa is used to store main heirlooms of the Palace of Yogyakarta. This is the Conservation Laboratory of Keraton Ngayogyakarta.
Life stages room. The existence of life stages ritual in a particular culture is based on the way people perceive every life stage and its meaning. The ritual has a purpose to symbolize the transformation, progress of one's life, and also as a way of making a wish or praying for one's better life. The Room of Life Stages is particularly used to display life stages rituals done until today by the royal family of Yogyakarta Palace. Commonly, the life stages are divided into 5 important stages in one's life journey. So as the rituals, the first one is prenatal ritual, or ritual when the baby is still in the mother's womb. The second one is ritual of birth, or when the mother is doing the delivery. The third one is ritual when the baby reaches teenhood. The fourth one is ritual of adulthood or wedding ceremony. I will tell you about the procession of wedding ceremony in Keraton Yogyakarta. The wedding day begins with a bride's event called Yatnya Dalem. The main event of the wedding began with the ijab kabul, which was held in the palace. The next one is Sandingan, where the bride and groom sit side by side on the palace throne while distributing betel or sirih to the guests as a symbol of togetherness and respect for the guests. After that, the event continued with Midodareni. On the night before the wedding, they sleep on plates used in the siraman, which is believed to bring good luck in married life. The wedding night ends with seserahan, where both bride and groom give various gifts to each other's families such as cloth, jewelry, or household items. And the last ritual is a ritual of death or funeral.
These are royal carriages. Each of these beautiful royal carriages has a specific name and interesting historical values. They are also used for special occasions such as royal wedding ceremonies. This is Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX Museum.
In Keraton Yogyakarta, there is a weekly cycle of performance presenting a variety of traditional Javanese genres. Today, they are performing gamelan in traditional dance. Many students dance from a Yogyakarta dance school performing in Bangsal Kasatriyan and Bangsal Sri Manganti during a Sunday performance arranged by the palace for tourists. Most of the performers, the scheduled presentation are not abdi dalam performers but amateurs and students. The gamelans Kyai Sangumukti and Kyai Sangumulya set up along the southern edge of Bangsal. A lot of domestic and foreign tourists viewing and documenting a Sunday dance performance in Bangsal Sri Manganti and Bangsal Kasatriyan.
Bangsal Magangan that has been used as a test place for employees and soldiers. Gerbek Maulad itself is a routine activity carried out with the meaning of commemorating and celebrating the birthday of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. The Gerbek Maulad ceremony is always identical to Gunungan. Gunungan is the term for a collection food ingredients arranged in such a way that resemble a mountain. At the right time, it will be taken out for the community. Bangsal Trajumas was once a place for criminal and civil trials during the reign of Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono. This Bangsal is now used as a place to store and exhibit part of the Yogyakarta Palace collection for tourist purposes.
This is our lunch and we have finished our lunch. Lupa, I forgot to record this. Yes, ma'am. Still have this.
Hilang, Re.